Hello everyone, in today's video let's talk about on how we can add grid on map layouts in QGIS. So the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the new print layout option. Now it's going to be this specific button right here. You could also press Ctrl P on your keyboard and then you could just name this into something like map grid. Of course you can name this to whatever you want to, and the first thing that you want to do is to just click the add map option, then you want to lay it down on the print layout. So from there, to finally add our own grid, you want to select the map first, scroll down, and then basically we have grids. Click on the plus icon, double click on grid, and once again make sure it's selected, select modify grid, and then in my case I want to make my grid into cross type. And basically you could then experiment with the intervals. So if you're, in my case, I'm using something like kilometers, but if you're using something like square meters, you could do something like 10,000, which I believe is equivalent to 10 kilometers. So let's go ahead and try 10 first. I don't know if I'm using kilometers or square meter. And then basically it will then look something like this. Let's go ahead and try the 10,000. And then right after it should look something like this. Once again, you could just try to experiment with the interval itself, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.